All right, so we've got a video showing this is the aircraft basically in the travel mode. We have the legs already attached, but we're going to install the system, and I'll talk you through that. So when you set it up, typically this is on the ground there in the field. You're going to raise the antennas. You're going to raise your TrueView Gnss antenna and then lock that into place. Make sure all these are secured. Don't want these moving around during flight. So then you're going to raise each M600 arm and then lock that into place. So you should feel a slight click. So there's a detent there on each arm. When you rotate that locking mechanism, you should feel it lock into place. So you want to make sure all of these are secured. So then you're going to remove each, so each propeller, each arm has a prop cover. So just make sure you remove that prop cover and straighten out the propellers. They don't have to be perfect, but just get them close. Minimizes vibration on that initial startup. So then you're going to attach your GNSS antenna. It's located in the TrueView case. Be sure that that is secure. So if that comes loose, if you're not removing your antenna between flights and this gets loose, it could cause a disconnect, and then you'll miss out. You'll lose GNSS signal during flight, and you won't be able to recover that data. So then you're going to install your controller box, and then the TrueView system just slides in that dovetail from the sides. So just make sure it's flush with the sides of the Ronin mount there, and then turn that locking mechanism. And make sure you attach your safety lanyard. So this is going to be through the aluminum bracket and then through the aircraft frame. Last step is connecting the GNSS antenna cable. This goes from our antenna on top down to the TrueView system. And then you plug in your Cat6 cable, which connects to the controller on top to the TrueView system. And then you want to remove the lens cover. So we provide this red flag on the lens cover. So if you see that during takeoff, you want to land, and make sure you're removing those before you take off. Check the battery status light there. So then insert your battery, and then connect your USB drive. All right, so that is the hardware component installations. Depending on how you disassemble your aircraft during travel, you'll need to go through this process there in the field before you begin flight.